Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term hiss. It's not just a sound, there's more to this word. Let's unravel the nuances of this distinctive hissing sound. Meaning. So, hiss refers to a sharp, sibilant sound, often produced by forcing breath between the tongue and upper front teeth. It's a noise commonly associated with snakes, disapproval, or a strong expression of displeasure. Usage. Imagine hearing a snake hiss in the wild, or the audience hissing in response to a controversial performance. Examples. Think of a cat hissing when feeling threatened, or the hiss of escaping air from a punctured tire. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's H's, his. A term that captures the sharp and distinctive quality of the sound, right? Different uses. Ever heard of white noise hiss? It's a type of sound often used for relaxation or to mask other unwanted sounds. Conclusion. If the concept of hiss piques your interest, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more intriguing word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.